$3 or $120? Well, you can make this much money online over and over again. All you need to do is to click the ads. As a sample, this is a banner ad. I will press that and wait for 30 seconds while I am on this page. I do not need to do anything. I just need to wait. After that, I can earn money. Well, this hack is absolutely free and many people around the world are using this to make money online. You just need to own a mobile phone or a computer. After that, make sure to follow the step-by-step process that I will tell you on this video. Do not worry because I will provide examples and proofs of how this hack works. At the end of the video, I will tell you about a secret tip that will allow you to make up to $1,400. Do not exit this video so that you won't miss out the opportunity to make money online. A reminder before I share this YouTube hack, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Before we start, make sure to set up your own PayPal account. To do this, go to paypal.com. Then, click this button to set up a free account. Enter the necessary information and log in to your own PayPal account. If you prefer to be paid using another method, you can search online about how you can set up an online bank account in your own country. After that, you can proceed to aticlicks.net. Now, please make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video to prevent any inconveniences like your money being stuck on your account. It is important to learn how you can properly cash out your money on this hack. So please watch until the end. Now, you can see that you will be able to earn from your online activities like answering surveys, participating in different contests, completing various offers, referring people to the site, and playing games. For this video, we will focus on visiting websites and clicking on various ads. You can also see that this site is transparent as it shows you the total payout amount of the day. Moreover, 43,000 users are registered right now, and you can see their previous withdrawals on this site. You will see their username, country of origin, and payment method. You can cash out using bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, AirTM, PayTM, cryptocurrency, Payeer, NetTeller, or Perfect Money. Do not worry as you have a lot of payment methods to choose from. Before that, look at this. This is a proof of payment from the site. You can see the cash out amounts per day. They also list the individual username and country of origin of the user. A lot of people from around the world are earning money using this trick. All you need to do is to click the ads. It is easy to do and it does not require any prior experience. I will tell you how to do this and how to multiply your earnings on this site. Create a free account by clicking on this button to register. Then, you will get redirected to another page. Input your full name, email address, username, and make a unique password. You will also include your birth year and birthplace. After that, just comply with the "I am not a robot" prompt and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, you can click on the register button. After being logged to your account, you will see this leaderboard. It will show the username, country, and earnings of the top users. They are from all over the world and they are earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars from this site. Again, you will just click the ads to earn. On your account, you can see various daily fix ads to click and to make money from. You will just click it, then you will be redirected to another website. You just need to follow the simple things that a lot of people are doing. The most popular ads are banner ads. As you look here, you will mostly see banner ads. I will scroll on the right section to show you all the banner ads. What you need to do with this is to press them and you can get paid from doing so again and again. Now, I will click on any banner ads to be taken to another website. After that, we need to stay on this page for 30 seconds. You don't need to do anything but stay on this page. One important thing to remember is to avoid committing any of these mistakes. When people click banner ads, they do not move anything. They also stop browsing and just stay completely still. Well, it's a mistake and they do not earn money from that. Instead, scroll, explore, and browse around a web page to prove that you are a human and not a robot. Not doing anything might get you mistaken as a robot, and you will not earn money from it. Again, please scroll around and stay still for 5 to 10 seconds. Then, move around again. Doing these things will make sure that they won't flag you out as a robot. After 30 seconds of doing this, you will be able to get paid into your account. Another way to get paid is to press on the daily fixed ads. These are the ads that you can click. After pressing these ads, you need to stay on the page for more than 10 seconds. Then, you can earn money from it. A lot of people are using this exact method to earn money. As a sample, I will click one of these. It will take me to another page where people are openly sharing their results. It contains proof and testimonies of the earned money that people have. A lot of people are also contributing to this report. They are earning a lot by simply clicking on daily fixed ads. Now, I will show you an ultimate trick on how you can earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on this site. As you can see, the top earners have these total earnings. You can also see the referral earnings that they received. The second user right here has this total earning and some of it came from their referrals. The ultimate secret is to refer other people on this site to climb the leaderboard and earn more money. This is how a lot of people are making the most money out here. You can do the same thing and refer your friends, family, and acquaintances to this site. On one side, you can click on the ads, and on the other side, you can refer other people to this site. Well, referrals are a win-win situation because they can have another stream of income while you are also earning money. This is honestly one of the best ways to earn money on aticlicks.net. Well, what are you waiting for? You need to try this now. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.